Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at this Qnap DAS system. It's a 4-bay system. I looked at the 2-bay system. Now I'm looking at the 4-bay system. I think I'm going to go with this. It's configured with RAID 5 automatically built into it. Has all the hard drives already installed. 4 terabyte Western Digital drives already installed in here, all NAS ready. I just want to show you a quick unboxing, show you what's in this kit here, show you what's in this and how it comes, how should you receive it. This is what it looks like. So what's in here basically comes with a box, of course, but let's just go over the power supply real quickly. Comes with the power supply, comes with the USB C to USB cable, and comes with some additional accessories if you want to add other types of drives to it besides the hard drive. Hard drive is no tools needed. Basically, just click it in and slides it right in. Very easy to do. But if you want to add additional SSD drives or different kind of configurations, they give you some tools that you need, actually little screws and stuff to do it. It does come with the key, like I said. So if you want to lock this up, it's important. You don't want the kids to get in there and throw a peanut butter jelly sandwich in there. We don't want that to happen. So when you're done configuring it and it's all done running, I would definitely suggest locking that up. And that's for safety. And I just want to show you what it looks like. This is the box. This is how it comes. It has a status symbol, a USB indicator, and 4 drive indicators so you can see what all the drives are working. Okay, it shows you that. Also, let me show you the back. This is quite heavy because all the drives are already installed. The switch here is all set up. And on-off switch, which is a very tiny on-off switch, and then the little power where it plugs into here. And also has a lock so you can actually lock it down. It's got a large fan. It's got a big fan, so it's got plenty of air circulation. Should not be a problem whatsoever. And on top here, you can actually reconfigure the modes any way you want to. So it tells you already different configurations. This is all set for number RAD 5, I believe. Yep. So top, dip, switch, and then 2 down. Yep. So that's all set to go. And let me just show you the hard drives. And to access the hard drive, you just pop it open, slide it out just like that there. And here it is, 4 terabyte Western Digital, NAS 3.0. NASware, and you want to use NAS hard drives for these here because they're designed to just constantly always run in the background. So they should just be left on, and they just always just constantly just backing up your system. So they're designed for that. These do come with a 5-year warranty. It has a Red Plus warranty on these hard drives, so these are guaranteed for 5 years. They should last longer than that, and there's basically 4 already pre-installed, 4 terabytes each. So how it works with the NAS, basically I'm going to utilize 3 of these, and then one of these will be like a backup. So the way the formula works, it's a little bit complicated. I went online, try to figure it out, but basically what it does is that I'm basically have 3, 4, so I'm going to have 12 terabytes of storage, and always backing up redundancy, backing itself up. And the last drive will constantly do the backing up and configuration. I'm not sure how it does it, but it does it. So basically I'm going to get 12 terabytes of storage, backup, and redundancy. And that's why you want to use RAID 5, I believe. That seems to be the best thing for me. So that's what this is. Just wanted to make a quick video, show you about this device. I'm going to hook it up and we're going to test it for a while, and then I'll make another video and just give you some of my thoughts, speed test, things like that. We're going to hook it up to hopefully Time Machine. That's my goal. I'm going to hook it up with the Mac. So I'm going to configure this under the Mac. Just going to basically the standard Mac configuration under the RAID, and hopefully that'll work with Time Machine, and hopefully that works the way I should work. Hopefully it does. That's what I want to do with it. If it doesn't work, I'll let you know. Okay, guys, so just a quick cutaway here on my home screen, and it does work. I got it set up perfectly. So once you plug in your Qnap into your Mac, you're just basically going to go into your disk utility like always. Anytime you have a new drivers, you have to do that, and you got to format it. So I'll just give you an example. So you always I'm just going to give you an example here. So you just say erase, go back into erase, and you want to do journaled. Extended journaled, that's what you want to use when you do this. Don't do exFAT, that won't work. exFAT, don't do that one. Just do journaled, basic journaled. It'll just get it ready for you, and you're good to go. Really easy to do. And then once you do that, then you just say I want to use this Time Machine, and then you're good to go. That's really all you have to do. Really easy. And then now it's backing up everything on its own. Nice and easy. Let me just show you right here. I'll open up Time Machine. I will show you right now. It is backing it up, as you can see here. About 56 minutes remaining. It's backing everything up on all the drives. So basically, there's 4 drives there. It's utilizing 3 of them for storage. So that's 4 terabytes times 3. That's right. That's 12. And then you get 12 terabytes of storage. And then you got the last one is redundancy. They use a specific formula for backing up the drive. So if something fails, you'll get notification and all that kind of stuff. So that's how I think that's how that works. But it does work with Time Machine. So that's the answer to your question. Does Qnap
NAS work with Time Machine? Yes, it does. And that's the answer I was looking for, and I couldn't find it anywhere. I looked everywhere. So I just want to make a quick video, and I want to show you the unboxing, the actual it working, and then showing it does work.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. I appreciate that. So Qnap seems like a nice quality, made out of plastic, but very heavy. I'll leave a link down below for this device. I think if you're doing any kind of either video, photography, or even YouTube videos. I do a lot of YouTube videos. You need some backup. So this is a good peace of mind with the redundancy. So one drive fails, you'll be notified. You pop a new drive in, it'll basically compile itself back up again, and you'll be up and running. And that's the reason why you do this, to have the security. All right, guys. So I appreciate it as always. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below for this item. It's always going out of stock. So if you see it in stock, grab it. It's like $4.99, and well worth it. I mean, for peace of mind, it definitely is the way to go.